Hello guys, so if you're looking to upload images on Midjourney, so if that's the case, you're going to the right place. Because today in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, there are two ways how you can upload an image in Midjourney. Now, the first and the most easiest method is just simply open your Midjourney bot, which is in your server. Then just simply take the image and drag and drop the image inside the general chat where you're gonna enter all of the prompts. Now, after the image is inside the server, just simply hit enter. Now, just simply right click on the image and copy link. Now, use any prompt. Now just simply enter the link that you just copied, space. Now enter something that you want the image to look like, for example in water, shark. Then just simply hit enter. Now Midjourney bot is going to take the details from this image to create an image that you want. Now as you can see, the image has been generated, so click on open in browser and you can check the image. So it is pretty similar to the image that we entered in the chat, as you can see. Now the second method of uploading images, just simply go to a website where you can find the image, or any social media platform, or anywhere you want to get the image from. So all you have to do is just simply right click on your image and click on open in new tab. Now when your image is on a new tab, just simply copy the link of the entire URL, not the website URL but the image URL that you just opened in a new tab. Copy the URL of that particular page. Then go to Discord and Midjourney, then imagine, enter your prompt. Now again add something that you want, let's say for example 4K. Then give it an aspect ratio if you want to. So for doing that, just simply hit a space dash AR, then enter your aspect ratio. It could be anything, so for me I'm just gonna enter 16:9, then hit enter. Now just simply wait for it to create an image from your example image. And now as you can see, the image has been generated, so you can click on open in browser and you can see the image for yourself. So they're all pretty good and realistic as well. Now if you like an image, you can just simply upscale that by clicking on the upscale over here, or if you want a variant of any of the image over here, you can choose the variant option over here. Or if you want to redo it all from the scratch, you can click the redo option over here. So that's how you can upload images on Midjourney and use it. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.